what happened when the Germans invaded.
Before they invaded our town, we knew that the Germans were going to come and bomb our town because and the surrounding, because we had the airport and the citadel and the station, the railway station. That was three different parts of that the Germans were very interested in. So people sort of started they were very worried, and they took this, and they went out of town into another town, not that much, not far, maybe 5-6 miles, 6 kilometers. And it just so happens that the German small planes used to fly through Demblin, and when they saw a bunch of Jews going in one direction away from our town, they machine gunned all of them. Very, very few remained alive. And so we knew that, so my mother, she said, we learned about that, or we heard about it. So my mother said, we got to travel at nighttime. So she gave each kid a chicken, and we started walking away from town in the middle of the night. And we walked and walked, and we were so tired that we had to release the chicken on the roads because we were just too tired. But eventually there was a vehicle passing by, and they took us to that town, to a different town, and we stayed with a Jewish family, and this man, he was making oil out of corn or whatever. So he was very generous, and he took us in, and we stayed maybe a week or so, and by that time the Germans came in. So when the Germans came in, we set out to walk back to Demblin, and we caught on the roads. We saw the German came in on three-wheel motorcycles with two people on. One was the driver, and one was sitting down in the sides on the side, and they came in with like this, no tanks, no vehicles, just they came in with those three-wheel motorbikes, and so we eventually came back to town. And we did get a ride on a horse and buggy from somebody that was passing by, and he took us to Demblin. So while we were in Demblin, while the Germans were already in our town, and they gave out orders that no person should leave the town, and if somebody will be caught, it would be shot to death. And so. And since we lived in the last house from the village, from our town, and as you crossed over the bridge, where that brook was, the village started.